In this video, I will show you how you can rename multiple files at once. You know that whether you are cleaning up a massive photo dump or organizing project documents, renaming files one by one is a soul-crushing chore. Fortunately, every major operating system has built-in tools to handle batch renaming in seconds. So here, how to do it on Windows. So for this, you need to open the File Explorer and select all the files you want to rename. So you can press Ctrl+A to select all or hold Ctrl+Click to select the specific files like this one. So I'll be selecting all by Ctrl+A and then press F2 key on the keyboard and type the new base name for the first file and hit enter. For example, Windows will automatically rename all other selected files using the exact same name with a sequential number added to the end. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope now you understand how you can rename multiple files at once. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.